be a friendship, be a foundation of trust.
Friendship can be a foundation of trust, but cannot be supported us in any situation because friends can come and go in any situations. When we pass out our school,
We come on college and we became new friends in the situation, but there are the relatives who don't support you and the secrets you don't tell them comfortably. So then there will be a friend which is beside you at your lowest. So what is your
situation, we can share our secret we can share our secret with relatives, but some people think that relatives spread their secrets, but colleges.
Can you tell me a role that supports the emotion that relatives are more important?
Yes, relatives are more important. In some cases, friends ruin the lives of students. Students can't study easily with all of this situation.
It means that you haven't choose a good friend. We choose good friends and relatives are also important as friends are also important.
It's about true friendship. If you have true friendship, then no one will share your secrets.
There is very true friends. It is hard to find friends easily, but we trust relatives due to our parents. The blood relation is stronger than any friendship.
On the basis of which reason you are saying that relatives are important? Why you are not friends are also?
Because they are foundation of our life. They support us from the childhood to stand us in difficult situations.
But is
How would relations and friendship differ each other?
Who usually knows your secrets, dreams, and daily struggles better? Your friend or a relative?
Relatives are what it can also know.
Can you deny that people call their closest friend their second family? Can you deny that people call their closest friend their second family? Could you please repeat the question? Can you call closest friend their second family?
change over time, but relatives are often the people who stand by us from the. If relatives are more important, why do people feel lonely even with a big family?
Because friends are a valuable part of our life, but relatives are our lifelong support system. They stand by us in times of happiness and
Prove that relationship based on more when it comes on priority, we first put our family. But when it comes to when it comes to the support, there will be always a friend. When family can't understand you, there will be a friend who decides you and understand you at your lowest time. Who teaches our first language, values and manners before we even have friends.
Why would you guys think that we choose friends so A would not? So, if your cousin is like 50, you will tell that he is I got 95%.
All cousins below your age.
Yes.
Tell me one thing, if your sibling and a cousin in lower your age, then you tell your deepest and darkest secret to them.
No, all cousins cannot be included in our age. Some cousins are bigger in age.
If the elder cousin did not understand your feelings, then what will you understand? Then when you will go first?
But some introverts cannot share their secret even with a friend.
Introverts also cannot share their feelings with their parents.
So
and
why there
relatives.
is a trust issue in friends that friends
There is
cannot.
also a trust issue in relatives and family.
it is very important. Relatives. We don't need our relatives on every situation. A friend support us. Emotionally, a friend
But
support
it
us.
can also help us in emotional, financial support.
I will call my friend.